Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Boxycharm October Base Box and Tarte Takeover Premium Box. Boxycharm Premium is a monthly subscription box that features 6 full-sized beauty products for $39.99 a month. Brand takeover boxes are limited edition boxes that happen 1 to 2 times per year. Each one features a trend-setting brand within the industry. Use the link in my description box to sign up. Now let's get to unboxing. This month's base box theme is Under Your Spell. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Playa Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner, Fleur NB Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream, Ciate London Spice Palette, Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Collagen Primer, and the Tresluce Beauty Lucete Glow Highlighter Palette. Now let's see what we have inside the Tarte Takeover Premium Box. We have the Drink of H2O Moisturizer, Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette, Breezy Cream Blush, Double Take Awake Micro Liquidliner and Brightener, Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, I'm testing out the Tarte Drink of H2O Boost Moisturizer. Ooh, I love the gel texture. This is just what my skin needed, so moisturizing. Next, I'm applying the Fleur NB Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. This includes 18 nourishing, clinically proven actives such as caffeine, aloe vera, and sunflower oil. It's very thick and rich. Now let's take a look at the palettes. They're both really similar. Today I'm going to work with the Ciate Spice Palette. This is the most expensive product in the base box. Let's swatch it. Great shades for fall. First, I'm picking up the matte shade called Warm Spice. I'm sweeping this into the crease. Now I'm dipping into the matte shade called Acorn. I'm using this to blend out what I just applied. After that, I'm grabbing the matte shade called Pine Cone. I'm applying this to the outer V. Finally, I'm taking the shimmery gold shade called Pumpkin Soup. I'm applying this to the lid. It's so dazzling. Next, we have the Tarte Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener. This is a 2-in-1 product with a liquid liner on one side and a brightener on the other. I'm just going to use the liquid liner side today. It's pretty easy to work with and a bit blendable as well. Now let's move on to the face makeup and prime with the Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Primer. This uses plant-based collagen to help with cell regeneration. It smells like a fresh fruit smoothie. This also claims to be the best primer for underneath concealer. No crease line sounds good to me. For blush, I'm trying out the Tarte Breezy Cream Blush in the shade Pink Sky. It's a nice soft pink shade. I'm tapping this on with my fingertips. It's definitely one of the best cream blushes I've tried. For highlighter, I'm applying the Tresluce Beauty Lucete Highlighter Palette. This comes in 2 varieties, Glow for fair light skin tones and Shimmer for medium tan skin tones. I received the Glow version. I'm applying the golden shade called Upgrade. It's definitely a drier formula, but I like that it's not sparkly. For mascara, I'm using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I already have this from a previous subscription box, and I like it, but I do have some trouble with the packaging coming apart. Finally, for lips, we have the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm in the shade Orchid. I already have this in the shade Rose. All of the colors in the collection are very flattering for everyday wear. As you can see, it's very emollient, so I'm just going to pop this right on top of this lipstick for a glossy effect. These are so moisturizing, I seriously love them. Here's the finished look using products from the Boxycharm October Base Box and Tarte Takeover Premium Box. Let me know if you're subscribed to the Premium Box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.